Here we are again for another Baruch Hashem and Shabbos episode on kosher.com. Let me show you how to prepare tuna fish the right way. First thing about tuna fish is get white. You don't want to see light, you want to see white. That's key. Here I have 2 cans of tuna. I'm going to smash that up a little bit. Then of course we're going to put in some mayo. Try not to use light mayo. Too watery, not going to work. I don't even know how much, so I'm going to take, what is this? Oh, so this is a teaspoon. This is 2 teaspoons. This is not teaspoons, a tablespoon. That's 3. Let's say 4 tablespoons. Let's see what happens. I don't know about you guys. I love my tuna fish with sour pickles. I don't know. Tuna fish, pickles, lettuce, tomato. Not the pickle chips, not those other type of pickles, not the burger pickle chips. I want sour pickles. So first I'm going to add a little bit of the sour pickle juice. This is starting to look really, really nice. We want to add a little bit of flavor. So, if you add fresh dill to your tuna fish, it's going to make it gourmet. Get a little bit of fresh dill and chop it up. Now this is something only if you want to make it like a gourmet tasting tuna fish. Otherwise, you don't have to add the dill. Now, like I said, personally me, I like my tuna fish with pickles. So besides putting pickles into my sandwich, this is a personal thing. I like to chop up pickles really, really tiny. I'm starting to hear like kids running around outside the bungalow. This is like Shalashida's time. I did early mincha. You know what I'm talking about? Friends are coming over. I'm gonna prepare a good tuna. Is tuna fish like a Hasidische Zach? I don't think so. That's delicious. Wow, yum. So, just to make tuna, the episode will be over now, right? Not interesting. I want to make an olive salad. I like to put out my bagels, my tuna, my sliced challah. Also, sliced challah is key for this. For shalashidas, you need sliced challah, not the heimische challah, the grubber mushroom, don't work. Sliced challah and a good olive salad. I got these Tuscanini olives straight from Italy. Get your olives right into your bowl. There we go. Good olive. You want to use good olives for good olive salad, right? Simple. It's good the way it is, but let's have some fun and it had some real good flavor. So I added some olive oil. Olives, olive oil, get it? Joe, yeah, get it? Fresh garlic. I have, I think, 4 cloves fresh garlic chopped. I have some scallions. I have crushed red pepper and some cumin, a little black pepper. Just a little bit more olive oil. That's it. Take a spoon. You know what? I think maybe a little bit of parsley in there. Or should I put cilantro? No, let's do a little parsley. A little fresh parsley. Let's chop it up. There we go. Look at that. Now you have an olive salad that took around 60 seconds to prepare, all ready to put on the table. This one fell out. I'm gonna taste this one. Wow, delicious. So good. Well, now let me show you how to prepare this like a lavish Shalashida's buffet in the country. On the porch, you know, we're gonna open the door on the porch. You know those porches in the country? We make a lavish buffet. I'll be right back. A few ways how to serve this. First way, simple. Open it up. Boom. Little scallions. Cherry tomato. Nothing fancy. Here's your olive salad. Let's get some spoons. One way to serve it. Second way to serve this, you can do it another way. Now, this is for All those people that like to be on a diet, that like to serve something nice and different. You don't want to eat bread? No problem. I got you. All the ladies on the diet. En dan mag je a tuna pepper. Anders got tuna bij you. A tuna pepper. Anybody had tuna pepper? See that? Scallions. Lekker zooi. Lekker zooi. The shine of tuna pepper. Next, most important part. I was waiting to say this joke the entire episode. Laat me maken dat tuna bij go. Nice sliced tomatoes. There we go. Some nice greenery if you have lettuce, romaine, or whatever you have. Right there. Beautiful. Okay. We'll put 2 olives on. Now that's what I'm talking about. This is delicious. Volleyball, an hour after this man, the volleyball court. I get them off.